Dr. Mahrang Baluch Nimdi cha Zindana Pautibrato Guharan Nama. My dearest sisters and my only brother Nasir Jan. Mani Ladukin Guharan Omani Yakudanagim Brat Nasir Jan. I am aware of the challenges I have brought upon you and how I have put you all through a tough time again at an early age. Ma sarpada uzana ke kasan umriya manshum wasta chikkadar mazane jeda janjal wadikuta. Since 2011, we have passed difficult times, but this is the story of every Baluch household today. 2011 ma jeda usakkiya ni dempane bale nui ar Baluch loge kisse. Whenever you feel weak, look at your surroundings. Arden ke shuma nezur butte godauti kashu kerra chamma shank bedeu bichare. I know I have carried the weight of responsibility for you all, hoping that this burden would never fall upon your shoulders. Mazana ke man shume zimmawariyan ni bar wati kopugan zurtag o ummid kana e bar kadi ham shume jende kopugan saramayate. But living in Baluchistan, this can happen, and even worse can happen. Be mentally prepared for it. Baluchushke ma Baluchistan zindagi guda iwad but ka balki chedo geishtene sakki hamat kana pameshka pegrio zaini awala wata tayar bikane. During our first meeting in prison, for the first time I saw myself in you. Zindana kshumamani gindukiyat ke ma aulibara taitaha wathara dis. The same restlessness, the same anxiety, the same desperate struggle to make things right again. Yakke bichini bewavi wama muhkame johod ke pada yak sharriye ummid tegendag. This is what it means to be bound by blood. Amishara one siadi gushan. But what we can do, this too is written in our fate. This is every Baluch's fate. Bale machi kutkane, ime bahta ne bishtain, o yar Baluch bahta ne bishtagine. I am writing this letter from my present cell because there are things I could not express in prison when we meet. Man cha zindane taharin kutiya pamishkaishia ne bishta kanagaya chia ki gindukiya wahda manikara chhe labz neista ke man eshan shumara gosht bekana. This life is a new experience for me, and I have yet to learn the art of speaking to my siblings from a prison cell. Izend maniwasta yak noke experience hai. O angat mana sekkgiyan ke zindane kutiya chon wati brato guharango gapjanak bhi. I wanted to give you courage, but I lacked the words. Malotat ke shumara dil baddi bhi diya, bale manikira labz naista. Now I am finding that courage, and you will too, as time passes. Remember how we all found the courage when our father was martyred. Bale nu wahad gwazagaye ma watara dil baddi daat kana u shuma ham watara muhkam kut kane. Yaad bedare ama temba wahde me pet shahid kanak bud ma chetor watara muhkam dasht. I had wished that despite growing up as orphans, your lives would be filled with peace and happiness. Ma ummid kutga ke churei zinda rodaga abed ham shume zind chawashiu emaniya purbebat. I had hoped that you would never have to face police raids and visit prison again. Ma me ummid dashtga ki kadi pada police chapa maja o ma zindana magende. But what we can do? Balachi kutkane. These trails are the earnest reality of life lived in resistance. Bale gahgiri zinde e rastiyan ke sakki mara opar kan gaya. We cannot shape our lives according to our wishes in Baluchistan. बलूचिस्तान मावती जिंदा वथी वड़ा ग्वाजेंत नकने इट मे बिकम आर्डर बट इट्स नेवर एजी बुतकंद इम्त्रा गेश्तर सक्की बैत बले जाना कदी अर्जानी बुत्ता our father made the decision for us when he decided himself to Baluch rides. E me pita me wasta jedta gutta ama wahda kya yavati zind pa Baluchi akkani wasta nadirkut. And after him, we all embraced this philosophy and committed ourselves to this struggle. Wa yapad mai kabul kot ovati zindagi hum ame johda data. Now, in these difficult times, you must take care of one another and be each other's support. इस अक्की वाहदा ने शुमारा यक्की दूमिये कुमक वत कनिगिये वो यक्की दूमिये हौसला जुड़बुगिये. Never forget, the strength is not just physical, it's mental and ideological. कदी हम एक अप्पा बेयाल मबेता कि ताकत यूका जिस्मानी नहीं बल्कि पिगरी वो लेकर ही है. स्ट्रेंथन यूर सेल्फ मेंटली एंड आइडियोलॉजिकली वो तारा पिगरी ओ जहनी तौर पर तवाना हो ताकतवर बिकने. बी ईच अदर सपोर्ट यक्की दूमियो को मक्खा बिकने. नेवर अलाउ यूर सेल्फ टू ब्रेक कदी हम वो तारा प्रोशगा मेले. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यूर सिस्टर इज़ नॉट वीक. वीकनेस इज़ नॉट समथिंग वी इनहेरिटेड. ओ इगप्पा याद बिदारे कि शुमे गुहार कदी हम निजूर नबी ओ निजूरी मारा च मीरा सना रस्तग. दिस इज़ द टाइम टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, टू रिमेन कमिटेड एंड टू स्टैंड विद यूर बलूच ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. या मे वाहदें कि वतारा तवाना बिकने ओ कमिटेड बेबेता ओ वती बलूच ब्रात गुहारानी अमकूपक बेबेता. मे अल्लाह प्रोटेक्ट यू ऑल. May Allah protect Baluchistan. Wajhuda shume pushto panabat. Wajhuda Baluchistan abirakat. I don't know the exact date of Eid when I am writing this letter. Manazana ke Eid kujam tarika bhi mazindana ibadan ishtagain nimdiya nabishta kan gaya. But I wish you and my nation an early Eid Mubarak. Bale man shumara ovati raja pesrachi Eid muradbati gushan. Best wishes. Mahrang Baluch. Written from my prison cell, Thursday, 27th March. Nekim Wahag. Marang Baluch. Cha Zindane Kutia. Pashambhe 20 March.